viruses and bacteria can live in a cold or freezing environment. Hello and welcome back to a new episode here in Aquafeel Maryland. My name is Jaime Turcios and today we're going to talk about, are ice cubes safe? Have you ever wondered when you go out in a restaurant or any place we go and we ask for a drink if the ice is safe to consume? Well, ice cubes are fine in nearly every drink that we consume, especially in the summer. But how can you tell if it's safe to drink? Are you aware of their dangers? We will take time to explain you what you need to know about this topic and be careful with ice cubes. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this information with people that you think it might be helpful. What are the dangers of ice cubes? It's a scary thought. Ice cubes can be contaminated with bacteria, with poisoning bacteria. Viruses and bacteria can live in a cold or freezing environment. So, meaning that they are alive in your ice. So if you have a drink that is contaminated with bacteria, you are in risk of falling ill. And can you tell when the ice is contaminated? No, you cannot tell. I mean, it can have like a weird smell or taste, but other than that, a murky color, but other than that, you cannot tell. Mostly, I would say I would not recommend consuming ice because you never know. Especially, you can ask, you can trust the restaurants with the ice cubes, or are restaurants' ice cubes safe? The simple answer, you can't trust them because there is no way to tell if a restaurant is taking proper sanitary steps to protect the quality of water and of course of your ice cubes. Luxury restaurants likely have a higher chance of having safer water, but it's truly no way to know. The best method is avoid ordering drinks with ice. As I was telling before, there is no way to tell that ice cubes are contaminated. Because there is no sign, there is nothing where you can tell that it's safe for you to drink. You don't know if they have a purification system that can read of all the particles or that can read of bacteria or of anything that can be in the water that is going to contaminate water, and of course the ice cubes are going to be contaminated too. How can you make safe ice cubes? According to the CDC, avoiding tap or well water to make your ice cube is one of the safest ways to make ice cubes. It is recommended that you use a purified water. So here in Aquafeel, that's where we can help you. You can schedule your free test, home water test, and we can go to your house, make some tests to the water, and we can give you some recommendations about our water purification system. This is gonna give you better quality of water, pure, safe water in every single part of your house, in your ice, in your fridge water, and you're gonna be safe drinking all of these. Whatever you use the water, you're gonna be safe with it. So remember, we are here to help you. You can schedule your free water test so we can tell you more about this, and you will be safer on this topic because you don't want to get ill because of consuming contaminated ice or water, because you and your family are in danger of suffering any illness. Okay, so remember, there is no way to tell that ice cubes are safe to consume. There is no way to tell that water in restaurants is safe to consume, and if water is not safe, ice cubes are not safe. So have this in mind next time you're going to a restaurant. Try to avoid ordering ice drinks, because you never know, and you don't wanna be in risk of falling ill. Thank you again for listening this episode. I'll see you next time in the next episode with more interesting topics. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this information. Thank you.